Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a broadcast channel message from anyone on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on broadcast channel message notifications from everyone, so you stay updated and connected no matter who's sending the message. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look up to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. This will open up a menu with a list of options. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the controls to customize your Instagram experience. Scroll down a bit until you see the Notifications option and give that a tap. Now you're in the Notifications Center. Here, you can manage every type of alert Instagram sends you. To get broadcast channel message notifications, tap on Messages. This section controls how you're notified about direct messages, message requests, and, of course, broadcast channels. Scroll until you find the Broadcast Channel Messages option. By default, this might be set to just people you follow, or it could be turned off entirely. To make sure you get notifications from everyone, select From Everyone. This way, anytime someone sends a message through a broadcast channel, no matter who they are, you'll get a notification right away. And that's it. You've now set up your Instagram so you never miss a broadcast channel message from anyone. It's a great way to stay in the loop with updates, news, and announcements from creators, friends, or anyone you're interested in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.